Take time on me, don't run away. Cause baby, we got unfinished business said.
Don't see me one day.
Cause I don't wanna waste no time.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this hair from Ishow hair. I'm also going to be reviewing it and all the shebang. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So straight to unboxing. This hair came in this white box with the black detail on top. It says fashion and natural, your best choice, and it was shipped to me via DHL. It took about 6 days to get to me and it was delivered to my doorstep. Very convenient. So right now I just brought out the hair from the nylon and I'm just going to be wearing it on my head to get the first feel, just so I know what I'm doing to the hair and how I'm going to go about it.
Later.
A few days later and I'm ready to install the wig. Off camera I went ahead to bleach the frontal just so it could blend well with my skin. I also sewed an elastic band for extra security. To avoid my natural hair peeking through, I'm going to go ahead to braid everything into one and tuck it away. So more details about this hair. Like I said earlier, this hair is from Ishow hair and it is their virgin straight human hair lace frontal wig. The hair is unprocessed and the hair color is natural black. This is 28 inches and you guys, this hair is soft. I would say it is really soft. The only issue I have with this hair is it tangles a bit and the front is a bit too puffy, but then I was able to fix it, so it's definitely fixable. But as for the texture, I absolutely love the texture. It is soft and this hair is so lush, you guys. Moving on to installation, the first thing I'm going to do is to apply my face powder around the frontal, just because I have trust issues and I want it to blend very well. To lay my frontal, I'm going to be using the combination of the Got To Be Invisible Styling Gel, that's the one in the black tube, and the Got To Be Freeze Spray. Moving on, I'm going to be applying the Got To Be Invisible Gel around the perimeter of my head, and as you can see, I'm applying it away from my actual baby hairs so that the frontal could lay properly. Next, I'm going to be drying it until it gets a bit tacky, and then I'm going to be going ahead with the freeze spray. I'm going to be drying it some more before I place the frontal. Next, I'm just going to be placing the frontal the right way, and I've said this in my previous hair videos that lately I prefer to lay the frontal first before cutting out the excess lace. That way I just cut out the right amount of lace off, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just using the tail of my comb just to push any excess hair backwards, just so I see what I'm working with. I just wanted to make sure the hair is properly laid before I cut the lace off.
You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile.
So now that my frontal is laid, I'm going to move on to styling. Remember I told you guys that the issue I have with this hair is the puffiness in front, like around the center, as you guys can see. So to correct that, I'm going to be parting my hair first of all. I'm going for a center part in this video, and after that I'm going to be going on going over it with my hair dryer and a comb. This way the heat helps slick the hair down. After that, I'm going to be going in with my Hawaiian silky formula, and you guys, this changed the game for me. Just look at my hair before and look at it after I used this product. Like, it just changes the game. Further, I'm going to be using the Mega Growth Serum just to smoothing the hair and add more shine. A little bit goes a long way, so just bear that in mind.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive.
Finally, I'm going to be tying the hair with a scarf. Well, not finally, because we have to straighten the hair. So I'm going to be tying it with this scarf, and I'm just going to be leaving it on while I do my makeup. I'm going to be doing my makeup off camera. Let me know if you guys want me to include my makeup tutorials into this kind of, maybe like a get ready with me hair and makeup. Anyway, I'm going to be, doing my makeup off camera, and then once I come back, I'm going to be styling the hair, like straightening the hair and styling it and all of that good stuff. A few hours later, and yeah, makeup is done, and right now I just changed clothes and I'm going to be going ahead to straighten my hair. I'm just going to show you guys how I straighten this hair. To be honest, I don't know how to explain it, and after that I'll be back. So that concludes this video, guys. I absolutely love this hair. I mean, just look at how it looks on me. It's very lush, and like I said, the puffiness was fixable. So yeah, I'm going to be leaving all the details in the description box and a direct link that will take you straight to this hair. Would you rock this hair? Let me know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.